Hello and welcome to beautiful Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm Dominic DeLuca, and today I have the pleasure of showing you this 1991 F33A Bonanza November 233 Alpha Kilo. Let's take a look. November 233 Alpha Kilo has been exceptionally maintained, which is exactly what you want when you're in the market for an airplane. With only 850 hours on the IO 520 factory Reman and 500 hours on this 3-blade McCauley propeller and only 2,200 hours since new, this is the perfect airplane to take soaring into the skies. The paint on November 233 Alpha Kilo is Matterhorn white overall with regimental blue, camel, and claret stripes. It's all in really good condition. As we step further back in 233 Alpha Kilo, we have the large baggage door, perfect for loading all of your suitcases and luggage. And with 1,080 pounds of useful load, this gives us plenty of room to take a couple passengers and all of our luggage on a trip. As we come to the back of November 233 Alpha Kilo, we'll find our seats, sidewalls, and headliners are all in great condition. I have my armrest here, G&D tinted window inserts for those hot days, a 4-place intercom system so we can all stay connected, a reading light, air vent. I'm sitting back here very comfortable, I have plenty of legroom, it's a good way to travel. On the panel of November 233 Alpha Kilo, we'll find the Garmin GMA 340 intercom with marker beacon, Garmin GNS 530 WAAS with traffic and weather, our Garmin GPS 400 with traffic, weather, and Stormscope, King 155 Navcom, King KN63 DME with Nav 1 and 2, King KR87 ADF, Garmin GDL69 traffic displayed on the GPS 400, and the King KFC 200 Autopilot with a slaved HSI and flight director. Some other features that you'll enjoy on 3 Alpha Kilo include the Rosen sun visors, GAMI fuel injectors, Shadin engine cooling baffles, rudder bracket STC, G&D tinted window inserts, factory internal corrosion proofing, and more. So if you're in the market for a beautiful, low-time, meticulously kept F33A Bonanza with Garmin avionics, a low-time engine, and a low-time propeller, all at a great value, give us a call today at Carolina Aircraft. I'm Dominic DeLuca. Have a great day.